Okay, in this chapter we are going to learn about number methods. So just like we have string methods, we also have number methods. Let's start. Let's num1 is equal to maybe 20.265. Okay, so maybe we don't want the 265, we don't want all these numbers, we want to maybe just get 20.26. then we have a method for that, a number method for that. Say num1 dot to fixed, then you bring your parentheses and type in the number of decimal points that you want. So you want two decimal point, you want two numbers after the decimal point, so you say 2. Let's store that in a variable. So let fixed is equal to, then we put that in the console log, fixed, save it, go to our console and see we got 20.27. okay, so it will run, we have 5 as the last number, so it will run 8 and this will be 7, then we get only 20.27. if we were to say fix 1, that means we will get 20.3 because this is more than 4, so it will run it and we will get 20.3. let's run it and see. Yes, we got 20.3. let's add 1 to it and say if you want to get 3 decimal numbers, so 3, that will be 20.265. the last number 1 is not up to 5, so it won't run, this won't be 6, it will just be 20.265. let's save it and run it. Okay, we got it exactly 20.265. that's it. Let's delete this and yes. So we have another method for number that is used to convert numbers to string. So let's say we have let num1 is equal to 20 and we want to convert it to string, though you can simply put that in quotation or quotation marks just like this and it will be a string, but in some cases you won't be able to do it. So this is how you do it. Like you get 20, you want to convert it to a string, you say num1 dot to string, then you bring your parentheses. That's it. Let's save it. Let's string number is equal to, so string number. Let's save it and check. Yes, we got 20, but this 20 is not a number, now it is a string because you have converted it from a number to a string using the number method to string. Let's get back to our code. So that's it for number method, though we have many number methods like to exponential, to precision, value of, we have many number methods, but we will be restricted to this for now.